Hi, my name's Jake.
And I'm Taylor.
And this is Dishwasher Ramp. Yeah.
Go.
This is payback, Taylor. Nice.
Why are you making me do this?
Go. Go.
I'm trying to get the whole thing first, stupid.
Oh, wow, he's gonna die.
Get on.
Oh, God.
I'm so scared.
Oh, God, he's gonna die. Alright, let's go. God. Yeah, he's killing himself. Look. Wow. Good. Oh, wow. Look at that gap, Taylor. You're gonna, like, die. That was unexpected.
Oh, Brett. Oh, it was an accident.
Oh, my God. We're idiots. Just go already. You're screwed, Taylor.
No, I'm not. Now I can use the bat, Casey.
Ow. Oh, oh wow. You know, I don't even have the right to call you stupid after what I just did.
I know.
That wasn't too bad.
For Narnia!
I don't know what he's doing. Oh my God. Your turn, Taylor. Go. Ow. Go. Oh God, what an idiot. Smarter than my front foot. Oh, and he's dead.
Oh, crap.
The wheel broke.